Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the Degiro trading platform and how to buy options on Degiro and as well as stocks as well. So let's get into this video. So let's say here we got all the Dutch stocks and you want to see all the Dutch stocks. A big company in the acces Royal Dutch Show. You can see your position right over here. That's my position. And here, if you click on opties, it's in Dutch, but opties basically means it's in options in Dutch, basically. So right now it's pretty much lagged out because it is the weekend. But let's see if we can get like a proper date. It is pretty much lagged out. I'm sorry for that. But okay, let's go to the February date for Royal Dutch Show. And actually, let's take a leap. Let's go take a leap. So Royal Dutch Shell is currently trading at €16, 41 cents. So let's say we were to buy the 16 call for December 23rd. That's like 3 years away, or no, 2 years away. And your premium is €3.15. So essentially, you're going to be paying €315. And what you're betting on is your break even is going to be 16 plus €3.15. So 1915. So essentially, your Royal Dutch Shell has to go up around 10 to 15% in the next 2 years for you just to break even. Anywhere above that, you're going to be making a profit. So how do you exactly buy this? Well, you click on the call option, and it went down 15% on that day. But when you click on cope, normally you have to put a limit order. I don't think they allow you to put a market order. At least I always put a limit order. So it tells you it currently costs €2.50. So what you'd have to do is, right now the market is closed, but you would have to type in €2.50, or you would have to put a dot actually. And then you want to do how many do you want to buy. So if you want to buy one of these, it's going to cost you €250. But if you want to buy 10, you're going to pay €2,500. So it tells you the amount you're going to pay. And then you do Platts order, and then the order will get sent. The same would work for cope, but that means you're actually bearish on the stock, and you think the stock will trade under €16, and you're going to be receiving €2,500, and you can do whatever you want from that. Obviously, it's going to take an effect on your margin and everything, and that's one thing I don't really like about Degiro. If you think about other platforms in America like Tastyworks, which I also use, or maybe Interactive Brokers or Thinkorswim, they all give you like a specific margin, and they tell you how much is your loss and what you can lose. But Degiro doesn't tell all those things. It expects you to be a professional. It expects you to know everything. And also, one thing I really hate about the options is you can't buy two options at once. I mean, like, let's say you want to buy a spread on Shell, a debit spread or a credit spread. In this case, it would be a credit spread. You wanted to collect money. Well, it's not going to work as nicely, and the commission is going to take a hit because you're going to be buying it twice. I believe it's 85 cents per contract, but still, if you want to buy a spread, there should be hopefully an option, but they don't have an option to buy a spread. Or like an iron condor where you want to take 4 contracts and that's 80 cents each, but they don't let you buy that. Okay, now let's say you want to be buying a German stock, which is not in the Netherlands. Well, that's going to cost you €4 in commission. So I own some Bayer stock. It's a pharmaceutical company in Germany. You can also buy the options. You see, you click on the options. But if you want to buy a stock, you click on koop. And koop means buy in Dutch. And you basically have to put a market order that's allowed for stock. And it'll go in the market price on the Monday morning. Right now, it's a Sunday, so it's not going to go through. But you can also put a limit order. Let's say you want to catch it at 49. So you put 49, you want to buy 1,000 stocks or 100 stocks. Then it's going to confirm at 49. But you have to wait till it comes to 49. So that's how you buy stock. And the commission for German stocks, I believe, is €4. So it's pretty high. So the best thing I like about Degiro is, let's say, and it's an American stock, right? It's an American stock. So let's say something like an Apple. Apple's pretty big, AAPL. And if you look at Apple, if you wanted to buy a stock, it would just cost you 50 cents. And that's pretty nice, costing 50 cents for buying American stock. But do mind that they will take an FX rate. So you're going to be paying in dollars. And since you're in euros right now, it's going to have a currency change. So that's how that would work. Another thing I really like about Degiro is the fact that you get some nice news in the bottom. And as you know, that Apple and Hyundai are set to tie up to produce electric cars. So you get all these information right over here. You don't have to go to the internet or anything. and you get some ratios and some of the financial statements. So how much revenue they were making per year. This was around 280 million. And the analyst ratings from people, so they say it's still a buy. Apple's a buy. I'm pretty bullish on Apple. I don't own any Apple stock right now, but I used to, and I might get in a position soon. So I hope this video helped you guys on how to buy an option or stocks. If you guys want to make more stuff, if you guys have any questions for me, please let me know down below in the comment section. And make sure to like the video for the algorithm and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Big